Alright, we've removed the transistors, all the transistors now, and now it's time to replace them. So the first thing you want to do is clean up the old thermal transfer compound. That's all needs to come out, and redo that so that the new transistors will have a good contact to the heatsink. So we can just remove some of this. And I have thermal compound removing fluid, which is a good idea to use because it helps you get it up much easier. So I'm going to apply some of that to it to break down the compound. Give it a few seconds to work on the compound. Then we'll wipe it off. Alright. This one also has this little piece of thermal tape material between the heatsink and the components. I'm going to take it off and clean it up too. This thermal compound removing solution is a two-step process. The first stage emulsifies the compound, and the second stage is a cleaner that cleans the metal and preps it for the compound. Alright, we're going to apply a little bit more of this under where the tape was to emulsify that. Then we're going to get that off. You want this area to be really clean because you want maximum transfer of the heat to the heatsink. One of the pads came off. I'm going to put it back. Okay. Alright, so now we can go ahead and apply the second material, the second solution to prep the metal for the new compound. And if you can see, man, it really polished that metal. That second solution's really good at getting stuff out of the way. Okay, I'm going to apply a tiny amount of the compound under this thermal tape.